Hi, it's Blair, the customer success here at Cemantica, and in this walkthrough today, I will take you through the user management section and a few key things for you to keep in mind about what you can do inside this section. So first, let's go to the settings here under your Cemantica platform, and then you will find Manage Users. So here is the full overview of your account. You will see your package, the number of seats you have purchased, the number of seats that are in use, the number of read-only users, number of deactivated users, and the expiry date for your license. You also have an upgrade package and add license here button. When you click it, the request goes directly to our team, so it's handled very quickly. Next, let's look at inviting users. You can click invite here. And if your company has and uses SSO, you'll have an option to create a new SSO user here. And if not, you'll just simply choose this other option and continue filling out the form. When adding a user, you also have the option to assign them to a specific workspace here or to a specific team from the drop-down. Now back here on the main list, you can see all the users and all of this key information like the user type, the workspace they're assigned to, the team they're assigned to, their status if they're active or deactivated, and other details. Now, admins can change the user roles here at any time. You can also create different views, export here the list, or if you click under these three dots, you can deactivate or reset a password. Now let's move over to Teams. Here you can see how many users belong to each team and also change user-based access. There's also a very useful feature called transfer of ownership. So let's say if somebody leaves the company, you can transfer their license to a new person by selecting the current owner and the new user, then clicking transfer. The transfer happens immediately. This is all I had for this walkthrough, but if you want to find out more about Cemantica, you can navigate to cemantica.com or reach out to us at info@cemantica.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.